Hi guys, what's up? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a Sunday. It is December 12th. I wanted to vlog today and do a little like Sunday reset routine, take you guys along on my day, getting ready for the week ahead. I just made some breakfast, some like yogurt with fruit, as you guys saw, so I'm eating that. I am gonna run to the store in a little bit. I do like my big grocery shopping on Fridays now. Now that I have Fridays off of work, that's just like the best day to go grocery shopping, because I'm sure you guys know Trader Joe's on a Sunday is like a nightmare, so it's nicer to go on a Friday. But I do have a couple more things that I need to pick up that I forgot to get on Friday, so I think I'm just gonna run to Whole Foods today, do a little bit of grocery shopping, and then I'm also doing laundry today. Gonna clean my apartment up, get it all nice and tidy for the week ahead, and just like set myself up for a good week. I love Sundays. I have started getting a little bit of like Sunday scaries now that I work full-time, but I still really like Sundays. As long as I can get everything done that I need to, then they tend to be good days. So that's what today's video is gonna be. This morning I have a little bit of editing work to do on my computer just for a video that I'm gonna be posting today, so that's what I'm gonna work on right now. But before we get into the rest of today's video, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, which is Nourish. These are the vitamin packs that I've been taking for probably like 4 or 5 months now. I've talked to you guys about Nourish before, but just wanted to give you an update. If you guys aren't familiar, Nourish are personalized daily supplement packs that contain all vitamins from Nature Made. Nature Made is the #1 pharmacist recommended vitamin and supplement brand, and they've been around for over 50 years. That's one of the things I really love about these packs, because you know all the vitamins are from a safe and trusted brand. When you go to nourish.com, you can take a little quiz that's gonna ask you questions about your health and your lifestyle and things like your diet and how often you exercise, and then also what health goals you have. The quiz only takes a few minutes, but I also feel that it's super thorough and it gets really personalized and addresses all the areas that you need to create your perfect vitamin packs. In addition to the personalized packs, Nourish also offers 5 curated packs to choose from that put together a mix of vitamins that support different lifestyles. So the packs that I've been trying lately are actually the Everyday Glam packs. So these come already curated, so it's super convenient. Each of these packs contain a daily vitamin, a biotin, astaxanthin, vitamin C, and omega-3. So all of those combined help to support beauty from within, and they all help with like hair, skin, and nail health. I've been giving my nails a break from any polish for a few weeks now, because I've been trying to grow them out and get them to be like strong and healthy for once. So Nourish has so many different options for everyone. You can either find a curated pack that fits your lifestyle or just go with the personalized option. But either way, you know you're getting trusted vitamins that are designed to target your specific nutrient needs. Like I said, I've been taking Nourish vitamins for several months now, and at this point it's just like a no-brainer for me. They get delivered to my door every month, and it's just like a staple part of my routine. Like every morning I have my breakfast and I have my Nourish daily vitamin pack. If you guys want to check out Nourish for yourselves, you can go to nourish.com and take the quiz and get recommended your personalized vitamin routine. It's super flexible, so if you want to switch any of the recommended vitamins out for something else, you totally can, and you can pause your subscription at any time. You can also use my code on the screen here or down in the description box to save some money off of your order. Definitely recommend checking them out, and thank you so much to Nourish for sponsoring today's video. got back from Whole Foods. I needed a few specific things, and then I never really go to Whole Foods very often, so I just got a few other little like snacky things. We'll do a little mini grocery haul. So first thing I needed was oat milk. I am out and I'm gonna prep some overnight oats tonight, so I'm gonna use this in those. Just got the low fat kinds. And then I'm also out of coffee creamer, so I got the Nut Pods almond and coconut creamer. I've never tried this brand before, but I feel like everyone raves about it, so I just got the French vanilla flavor to try. Also got some strawberries. It's not really in season at all, but it's fine. Got a box of white cheddar mac and cheese. Got some Mary's crackers to munch on. These are the herb flavor. These really caught my eye too, and they're the Milk Bar chocolate chip and marshmallow cookies. I've had these before and they're so good, so I'll have these for dessert some nights. Needed some more lemons and limes, so just got those. I got 2 Perfect bars. I've been loving these for days when I go into the office or just like long work days where I don't really have time to like make myself a snack. They're like refrigerated bars, so I got the dark chocolate chip peanut butter and the snickerdoodle, which is limited edition, so I'm excited to try that. But these taste so good. They have like 15 grams of protein and just like a good filling snack for on the go. I have to go into the office 2 days this week, so I know I'm gonna bring these in my bag. And then last thing I got is just a pack of Spindrift because I'm out of sparkling water, so I just got the grapefruit flavor. Going outside. Hi guys, it's a bit later now. I just got ready because I'm actually about to head out and grab dinner with my friend Daniela. She is also a content creator and she has to shoot some TikTok footage for Ani Ramen, which is this really good ramen chain in Jersey. They actually are opening a location in New York soon. So we're gonna go grab dinner there. I wanted to show you guys my outfit before I head out. I got this sweater recently from H&M. I hadn't been inside an H&M in so long, but I went in the other day and they had so many cute sweaters. So I picked this one up. I thought it was so cute and cozy. And then I'm just wearing Princess Polly jeans, sneakers. Bag is also Princess Polly. And yeah, that's the fit. Gonna head to dinner now. I'll take you guys along, of course. Guys, I am home from dinner now. I showered and put on a face mask. Sundays are the best day for me to find some time to do a little self-care, so just doing this mask right now. It's the Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge Pore Mask. This is an OG favorite of mine. It's my favorite mask for just like clearing out my pores and just making my skin feel super clean and fresh. So I'm gonna leave this on for like 15-20 minutes while I prep my overnight oats. Into the kitchen we go. I'm not like a huge meal prep person. I don't think I ever will be, but I always do like to prep my overnight oats on Sundays because I wake up like so hungry in the morning, like instantly. So I like to just have breakfast ready to go. Makes it super quick and easy, and I just love my overnight oats. So gonna make those really quickly. just did my skincare and got ready for bed, so I'm gonna end off this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Sunday vlog, a Sunday reset video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos from me, and also follow me on Instagram to keep up with more of my day-to-day life over there. I hope you guys have a great week ahead, or are having a great week as you're watching this. Love you guys so much, and I will talk to you very soon in another new video. Bye.